क्या हो गया सर?
हो गया हो गया
सिस्टम से डाउन हो रहा है क्या?
पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है बार बार बंद हो गया
सिस्टम ना
Screen is it? Screen is shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, student. Now your next topic is chapter number 3, understanding quadrilateral. Your next topic is interior and exterior of a closed curve. Interior and exterior of a closed curve. Of a closed curve. So what is interior? Interior and exterior of a closed curve. Interior means some point which lie some point which lie inside the curve. Some point which lie inside the curve. The set of point interior of closed curve. The set of points which lie inside the closed curve. The set of point which lie inside the closed curve. Student, it is your closed curve. And some points lie, that is A, B, that is C, that is D, which lie inside the curve. That is interior of closed curve. Student, any doubt, any problems?
इसमें ऑब्जर्वर कौन है भाई?
Not sir.
Now student, your next topic is exterior of closed curve. Exterior of closed curve. Exterior of closed curve. Student, the set of points which lie outside the circle, outside the closed curve. The set of point which lie outside the closed curve. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
It is your closed curve. It is your closed curve to some point, that is D point lies outside the called D, E, F, D, E, F, which lie outside the closed curve. Student, have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Now student, convex polygon. Your next point is convex polygon. A convex polygon is a polygon in which measure of each interior angle is less than 180 degree. A convex polygon is a polygon in which measure of each interior angle is less than 180 degree. A convex polygon is a polygon in which measure of each interior angle is less than 180 degree. A convex polygon is a polygon in which measure of each interior angle is less than 180 degree. For examples, that is your rectangle. In this polygon, each interior angle, these are interior angles, and each interior angle is less than 180 degree. Student, this is your polygon in which each interior angle is less than 180 degree. Interior angle is less than 180 degree. That is called convex polygon. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Your next one you can take an example of hexagon, such as hexagon. That is your convex polygon. In which each interior angle is less than 180 degree.
Okay, sir.
Less than 180 degree. Have you done, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now your next topic is concave polygon. Concave polygon. A concave polygon is a polygon in which one interior angle is greater than 180 degree, in which at least one interior angle in which measure of at least one interior angle is more than 180 degree. A concave polygon is a polygon in which a concave polygon is a polygon in which at least measure of at least मीन कम से कम एक या उससे अधिक भी हो सकता है. एट लीस्ट वन मेजर ऑफ एट लीस्ट वन इंटीरियर एंगल इज मोर देन 180 डिग्री. स्टूडेंट्स, कॉनकेव पॉलीगन में जो इंटीरियर एंगल है, ईच इंटीरियर एंगल should be less than 180 degree. Student, listen to me. Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
In convex polygon, measure of each interior angle is less than 180 degree. But in concave polygon, measure of at least means कम से कम एक तो है, इससे अधिक भी हो सकते हैं. Whose measurement is more than 180 degree. Whose measurement is more than 180 degree. For examples, this is the interior angle whose measure is more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree. This is the angle whose measurement is more than 180 degree. So it is a concave polygon. Your next one is such as measurement is such as, you can write such as, students, are now this interior angle is, measurement of this angle is more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree. More than 180 degree. So it is a concave polygon. So it is a concave polygon. Now student, our next topic is regular and irregular polygon. Regular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon in which number of sides and angles are equals. A polygon is called regular polygon if all sides and all its angles are equal. A polygon is called a regular polygon. Regular polygon. Regular polygon.
With all angles
If
equal.
it's
Sir, code is not.
a polygon is called a regular polygon if it's all its sides.
Sir, rectangle is regular polygon.
No.
Why?
No. If it's all sides and all angles are equal. And all angles are equal. Student, for examples, equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles. In equilateral triangles, all sides are equal, all angle is of 60 degree. That is your regular polygon. In square, that is your equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle. Next is your square. In square, all sides are equal. Each angle is of 90 degree. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
This is your square.
No, sir.
What is irregular polygon? Irregular polygon एक polygon which is not regular, जो regular नहीं है वो irregular है। मतलब जो आपके पास, जैसे आपके पास isosceles triangle है, scalene triangle है, ये क्या है? irregular polygon है। irregular polygons, these are irregular polygons. Student, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Student, your next topic is irregular polygon. Irregular polygon. Irregular polygon. A polygon which is not regular. A polygon which is not regular. Which is not regular is called irregular polygon. Irregular polygon. A polygon which is not regular is called irregular polygon. For examples, rectangle. All angles are equals, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. But opposite side equal. All sides are not equal. Opposite side equals. That is irregular polygon. Rectangle. Rectangle. And your isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Two sides are equals. Angles are, this angle will be equal to this, but this angle is not compulsory to equal with this. ये angle is equal है, that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, students. Okay, students. Now, student, your next topic is angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Student, have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so do it fast. Your next period. Yes. Okay, students. Student, your next topic is angle sum property of a triangle. This is your triangle. This is your angle A. This is your angle B, and this is your angle C. Students, according to angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of all three angles is of 180 degree. आपके इन तीनों एंगल का सम कितना होगा? 180 डिग्री होगा, ठीक ना? According to angle sum property of a triangle, sum of all three angles, sum of all three angles of a triangle is of 180 degree. Students, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Note down, please. Note down, please.
Sir, noted. Sir, noted.
Noted?
Sir, noted.
Okay, students. Okay, students. Our next topic is angle sum property quadrilaterals. Student, have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Student, your next topic is angle sum property. Angle sum property.